Do you have any idea about a naughty boy, a small boy who appeared as the god in front of his devotee? So hi, this is Sriniti from South India Tours and Travels, and today I am here with you to explore about Sri Ananta Padmanabha Swami Temple in Thiruvananthapuram. So this temple is one among the 108 Divya Desam for Lord Vishnu, and this temple is ranked in 87th of Lord Vishnu. So here the main god is Lord Vishnu and his name is Sri Padmanabha Swami, and he is being in reclining position in the bed of serpent, and his wife Mahalakshmi and her name is Sri Hari Lakshmi in this temple. There is a special thing inside this temple. So that is that there will be 3 doors in front of the sanctum of Lord Vishnu, and in one door you can see the face of Lord Vishnu, and the second one you can see the body of Lord Vishnu, and in third one you can see the feet of the Vishnu. This will be more different from other temples. So the legend behind this temple is that there was a sage named Divakar who prayed to Lord Narayana every day. The Lord decided to test Divakar. He appeared before Divakar as a child, attracted his attention. Divakar was enamored with the beauty of the child. Every day the child visited Divakar and the bonding between them grew. One day the child told him that he is an orphan and is wandering alone. Divakar asked the child to stay with him. The child agreed on one condition, that if Divakar reprimands him that very moment, the child will leave him. One day, Divakar was praying to the Lord and was troubled to see the child sucking his saligrama sila. Divakar forgot his promise and rebuked the child for this act. The child told Divakar that since he has violated his promise, he will not leave. The child ran and Divakar ran after him. As the boy was running, his waist bell and ankle bell was tinkling. He could not live without the child. The child told him, if you want to see me again, you should look for me in Ananta forest. Then the child disappeared. Divakar was searching everywhere. He spent rest of his life looking for this Ananta forest. He was walking and asking everyone. He came to a village where a tribal lady was scolding her son. You are so naughty. Next time you do this, I'm going to throw you into the Ananta forest. When Divakar heard this, his hope of finding the child revived. He asked the tribal lady about the forest, and Divakar somehow managed to get there. The forest was very dark. Divakar has a single wick. He went into the forest searching for the child. Suddenly, he heard the tinkling of the waist bell and the ankle bell. He became very happy and started looking from where the sound was emanating. Suddenly, a ilupa tree fell on the ground with a thundering sound, and Divakar was blinded by the radiance emanated from the tree. The child was none other than the Lord Ananta Padmanabha, who appeared with the effulgence at the place where the temple now exists. The deity was very huge, with head in one village, his feet in another village, and his waist was in Ananta forest. He requested the Lord to reduce in size so that he could worship him and serve him. Lord immediately accepted his prayers and reduced himself in size.